Welcome to the final lesson of the month, and it's a lab. We're going to put everything together in a simulated shift. You'll arrive to a live queue and use all your new skills at once: prioritizing, classifying, troubleshooting, communicating, escalating, and documenting. Because here's the truth, that integration is the job. No rail ticket asks you to use just one skill at a time. Let's start your shift. It's 9 a.m. and you're starting your shift on a busy service desk. 5 tickets are already sitting in your queue. Now, none of the individual skills here are new to you. What's new is using all of them at once, under a bit of time pressure. That's exactly what a real shift feels like, and that integration of prioritizing, troubleshooting, communicating, and documenting all together, that integration is the job. So let's treat this as the real thing. Here's your queue. Ticket 1, a whole call center, 40 users, just lost their phones. Ticket 2, someone wants Adobe Acrobat installed. Ticket 3, a monitor that flickers occasionally. Ticket 4, a user locked out with a client call in 10 minutes. And Ticket 5, Outlook won't send, throwing an error code. 5 very different contacts. Your instinct might be to start at the top and work down, but as you've learned, that's exactly the wrong move. We triage first. Step 1, Triage. Never work in arrival order. Score each ticket by impact and urgency. Ticket 1, 40 users with a core service down, is high impact and high urgency, a probable major incident, so it's P1. Ticket 4, the locked out user, is low impact but high urgency because of the deadline, so P2. The Outlook issue is P3, and the Acrobat request and the flickering monitor are P4. In about 30 seconds, you've turned a scary queue into a clear, defensible order of work. Ticket 1 deserves special attention because it's a probable major incident. The rule from earlier in the month kicks in: recognize it early, raise the alarm, and get the right people on it before you touch anything else. As a Tier 1 technician, your job here often isn't to fix the phone system yourself. It's to spot the severity, escalate it correctly, and possibly own the communications while the specialists work. Recognizing a major incident fast is one of the most valuable things you can do on a desk. Now Ticket 4, the stressed, locked out user. Watch the order here, because it matters. You lead with empathy to calm them, then you verify their identity, because this is an account change and the Helpdesk is a social engineering target. Only then do you diagnose: it's a lockout, not a forgotten password, so you unlock rather than reset. Then you act, and finally you confirm the fix with the user. Empathy, verify, diagnose, act, confirm. That sequence handles the human, the security, and the technical fix all at once. Step 3, escalate Ticket 1 cleanly. The phone outage needs the telecoms and network team, so you write a complete handover. Look at what's in it: the reference and priority, the business impact, what you already confirmed and tried, a contact on the floor, and a note that you're owning communications. The receiving team can act on this instantly, without re-interviewing anyone. A clean handover like this, especially in a crisis, is the mark of a technician people trust with the big tickets. Finally, Step 4, document and close. When the Outlook ticket resolves, you verify the fix with the user first, then you write the record, the symptom, the cause, the action you took, and the outcome, and you link it to a knowledge base article so the next person solves it in seconds. Only after all that do you close the ticket. This is how every ticket should end. The fix isn't really finished until it's verified and written down. That discipline is what separates a professional from an amateur. Let's recap the whole month in one breath. You triage by impact and urgency, classify each contact, troubleshoot with method, communicate with empathy, escalate cleanly, verify identity when needed, and document before closing. All of it, together, fluidly, that's the job. Your task: work this entire queue as if it were your shift. Produce your triage table, a 6-step write-up of the Outlook ticket, a clean escalation note for the phone outage, and a closing message to the locked-out user. Make it your portfolio piece. Congratulations, you've completed month 4. You're ready to work a service desk.